The man takes him everywhere to wants to. So, they said, go over here and then you get it everywhere. So the dog can eat it and it says, and that's the dog food. And then they did it that way. Just the two mouse. That's one mouse you did. And they said, come on, we could do it with ourselves. Together we can help. We can help any kind of team. No, you're not a little child. You're not.